Welcome, today we're going to show you how to link Bloodstrike account using your mobile account to PC. So it's actually a very easy method. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you open your mobile account, I'll see from here, and you need to go to the settings on the top right. It's the gear icon that you can see right here. After that, you will see a bunch of settings from here. There's the basic settings, gameplay, controls, controller, sensitivity, graphics, and language. So the thing that you need to do is to open the profile setting on the top right, I'll see from here. You need to click on it, and after that you will see this screen. So from here you can just click on the profile, I'll see from here, and after that you can actually bind your Google account. To that you can bind any other account like Facebook, Discord, NetEase Games, and anything you want. So after you have binded your account, you can just download the game on your PC and log in with the same accounts, same credentials and everything, and now your progress will transfer to your PC. So it's very simple. All you need to do is to log in with the same account on the two devices, and now you have transferred your progress. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.